By the way, the other thing that I want to say is that now we actually saw that our test fails, right? That's one of the most important things to do, is to make sure that your test can actually fail. You guys saw that the test actually fails, which is really good. It kind of makes sure that everything is okay. So anyway, so the issue was that we were timing out because our code was too fast for this assertion right here, where the title was being returned and then the page did not contain that title. As a result, it failed. So there are two solutions to this. One solution is called an implicit wait. And an implicit wait is something where you do like this. And of course, you need this threading thing. You do control dot with Visual Studio, and using system.threading, you can do thread.sleep. And thread.sleep, then it asks you for how many seconds. You can put in 10 seconds. And now what this does is actually sleep for a total of 10 seconds before executing this next command. That sleeps for 10 seconds. And that's excellent, right? That's going to solve our problem, because we're going to open up the browser, we're going to wait for 10 seconds, and then we're going to check to see if it contains my membership title. So let's go ahead and run this test again. So I'm going to come over here, and then I'm going to do a run. It pulls up another black window. I'll get this over here for you guys. Get this over here for you. So you can see it's logged in, and now this test is, it clicked something, and now, so it clicked on the edit profile, which is awesome, but the test still failed. So let's go ahead inside and see what happened. User was not able to view the edit profile page. Okay, so it failed on this assertion. No problem. However, what's cool is this assertion is now fixed, right? User was able to successfully log in, and then the user was able to click on the edit profile, but it's just complaining that it did not see the edit profile page, which is a different issue. Now, this implicit wait may initially seem like a good idea, and it's a very easy fix. However, it is not a good idea at all. In fact, I 100% recommend that you never use this style of sleeping in order to solve your problems. This is really bad because it's a hard-coded 10 seconds that you are going to wait, which means that every time your test runs at this point, it's going to wait 10 seconds. And if you have something like 100 tests that you're running and they're waiting for 10 seconds just at this step, that is 1,000 seconds that you're wasting waiting for elements, right? So that's how many minutes? Let me get my calculator out. So 100 tests times 10 seconds, that's just at this step, divided by 60, that's 16 minutes lost just for waiting for this one assertion. If you have this all over the place, there's going to be much more time lost waiting for that assertion. The reason it's bad is because, first of all, this may not take 10 seconds to come back. It may take 1 second to come back. And so then you're wasting 9 seconds just waiting around for a test that can already proceed. And therefore, you're delaying yourself from knowing the results much faster. Also, if you remember, one of our automation principles is run fast and fail fast. This does not follow that principle because it's not running fast and failing fast. It's waiting for something that has already come up if it's come up within 1 second.